Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming cellular data is active. That's mandatory. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular, then make sure cellular data is on. Now go straight to Personal Hotspot. This is where you enable sharing. You'll see a switch for Allow Others to Join. Turn it on so devices can connect. Make note of the Wi-Fi password shown because you'll use it to pair other devices. This initial setup creates the hotspot credentials and advertises the network immediately. Next, you configure access and security so your hotspot isn't open to strangers. Tap the Wi-Fi password field and type a strong password, at least 8 characters with numbers and letters, because that prevents unauthorized use. Choose how devices will connect: Wi-Fi for general use, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for stable tethering. If you use family sharing, add members to allow automatic access. Make sure to lock the screen when not using the hotspot to stop accidental connections or battery drain. Finally, connect your other device. Select your iPhone's network name and enter the password you set. For the most reliable link, plug into USB, choose Bluetooth if Wi-Fi is blocked on the client. Once connected, monitor cellular usage and battery. Hotspots use significant power, so consider charging. If things go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle personal hotspot off and on, restart both devices, and check for a carrier settings update. This resolves most handshake or provisioning failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.